is Mike Mozart of the Toy Channel, Jeepers Media on YouTube, and Toy Reviews with one of the very earliest types of Lego-like bricks. These were made in the 1930s in the UK, and they're called MiniBrix. They were all rubber, the complete building system in miniature. And here are some kids building them. Hey, it looks quite a lot like Legos there in the picture. Yeah, but it's not quite. It's not quite. This is what the bricks looked like, and they were made of all rubber. One of the problems with all rubber is, over time they've turned into like rocks. And if you look at the top of the studs, you can see they're more like doorknob shapes. Because they were rubber. They were soft rubber, and they were intended to snap together. Of course, now after all these years, they're hard as a rock, and they don't snap or unsnap anymore. So if they were put together in the box, they're staying like that forever unless you bust them to get them apart. Now, unlike Lego building bricks, the method of construction is different. You build them upside down, and you had base plates that were actually cardboard that were elevated with cardboard strips to bring them off the table edge, and you built them upside down, which I don't think was a very good pattern to use, but that's how they designed it. And of course they say, MiniBrix base plates, the best foundation for building lifelike models. They literally just crumbled and fell apart. The quality of the cardboard was so poor, they just like disintegrated. And so did the windows and doors, which were just cardboard components that fit into the little tiny holes. Now, if you didn't have a base plate like this, the foundation pieces had holes on each side. So you'd lay down a foundation like that, and you would take your pieces and snap them upside down on top of it. This is definitely a precursor to the different types of Lego toys. Now, if you built furniture for inside the house, there's got to be a picture here of something that's like a bed or something. Because when you build furniture, it was intended that you built them stud up. There's got to be a good picture of one here. Well, you can see some of them here have studs up. But if you ever built anything that went inside your house, like a little doll piece of furniture, they actually intended that you would build them stud up. It's very rare. There are very few of these around. They're expensive on eBay. A set like this is probably 60 to 100 bucks now. But I just thought you would enjoy seeing it. I have some bigger sets that are much more complete than this, and I'll bring them out and I'll show you all the different sets I have. This has been Mike Mozart of the Toy Channel and Jeepers Media on YouTube with one of the very earliest stud-type building bricks. Of course, very unusable today. Don't forget to rate, favorite, subscribe, and share. And tell all your friends about all the cool videos now on the Toy Channel, Jeepers Media on YouTube, and Toy Reviews. Thanks again. Cocoa Puff's mommy, she's getting a little old right now, but she's always in the office too.